provide news and information to local and assigned areas. This is WNYW. We will continue to serve the New York metropolitan area. If you are not in this local area, you should tune to stations providing news and information to your local area. You are listening to the emergency alert system serving the New York metropolitan area.
Do not use the telephone. The telephone line should be kept open for emergency use only. The emergency alert system has been activated to keep you informed.
다음 메시지는 한국 남자에게입니다. 한국에서 이게 핵폭탄. 한국의 모든 사람들은 이제 낙진 대피소로 가야 합니다. 낙진은 핵 공격입니다. 프로그래밍 후 유지.
This is emergency action
Notification. All programs in South Korea will activate the Korean emergency alert system. Don't not use the telephone. I repeat, don't not use the telephone.